Hello everyone! Today I have a beautiful restorative practice for you to help you release, build up tension, reset your nervous system, and most importantly, replenish your energy. The holiday season can be very hectic. It pulls our energy in so many directions. So if you only have 10 minutes for yourself today, do this routine and I hope it will make you feel more balanced and centered. And if you have a little bit more time, you can find a longer 20-minute version of this practice available on my membership space. You can find the link how to join in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice.
Let's begin in a standing position. Taking a moment to open up through your spine. Gently tuck your tailbone in to help you relax and lengthen through your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. From here, go ahead and reach up as you breathe in. Exhale softly. Allow your knees to soften and your body relax. Continue breathing fully into your lungs as you open the body. Exhale to soften and let go. And one more time, breathe in, open up. Exhale to let go. From here, we're going to open the front of the body. Breathe in again as you gently push up into the sky. Release as you straighten up and soften the body down. Think of it like a wave coming up and then settling back down. Breathe in as you gently open the chest. Exhale as you engage your belly and round your lower back for more relaxation and openness. One more time. Inhale as you open, expand. Exhale to release. From here, we're going to open the chest. Breathe in as you gently push up in opposite directions. Exhale, draw your hands back to center. Inhale as you open up. Exhale to soften. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Draw your hands to center. Relax your hands by the side. From here, we're gonna open sideways. Inhale as you expand. Exhale, drawing the hand back down. Inhale as you expand the body, gently pressing in opposite directions. Exhale, soften the joints, returning to center. Inhale as you open up. Keep your spine long, yet your shoulders relax. Exhale down. Stay engaged in your body. This is a full body movement. Feel that nice pulsation happening in all your joints, through all your tissues. As the body expands, you feel a little taller. Release. Allow everything to soften. The integration of the whole body and that subtle pulsation up and down, it helps to release any trapped energy and enhance the circulation of energy through all the meridians. One more time. Open up. Exhale to release. From here, another rotation to help us open up through the back. Inhale as you turn slowly. Exhale as you move through the center. Inhale as you gently push one palm onto another. Exhale to return. Keep your knees soft and your hips relaxed as you move through the center. Then engage as you turn back. For this form, it's essential to have your spine nice and straight and your lower back relaxed. Allow the body weight to sink down through the tailbone into your hips and all the way down to your feet. One more time. Slowly return to center. Allow your hands to relax. We continue with the spinal wave, promoting the circulation through all the extraordinary meridians. The front of the body, the back of the body. Stay relaxed and fluid. Begin to loosen up through the muscles, opening the joints, and allow the energy to flow. And one more time, roll up. Return into center, we settle down. Inhale, exhale. Concentrating within, on your abdominal area. And go ahead and bring your feet together. This is a beautiful Tibetan exercise for clarity, focus, and internal balance. We're going to inhale as we connect the fingertips, simultaneously coming up on our toes. Then release and soften the body. We're going to balance on our feet, on our toes, as we connect the fingertips above our head. Release, allow the body to soften. Continue following your own breath. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. Relax your entire body. Step out. We begin to concentrate our attention on the lower Dan Tian. Inhale, allow the belly to expand. Exhale, drawing the navel towards the spine. Inhale, that pressure pushes the belly out. Exhale, it releases. The belly naturally falls in. This happens when we engage the diaphragm muscle. If we breathe naturally, if we are calm, the diaphragm moves down. It is very good for regulating the nervous system, settling the mind, and replenishing our internal energy resources. Let's take one more deep breath in. Taking a moment here to notice how you feel. Smile on the inside. And finish your practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I wish you great health, and I'll see you in the next video.